Aloha, it's Henry. So you charge $450 a night? That's great, but how much you actually earning per night across the whole month? Well, that's why we've got RevPAR. So what is RevPAR? R-E-V-P-A-R. It's revenue per available rental night. It's a key KPI that combines your occupancy rate and your average daily rate into one number. Pretty simple formula. Multiply your occupancy rate by your ADR, and that is your RevPAR, R-E-V-P-A-R. So for example, if you charge $450 a night and you're booked 65% of the time, your RevPAR is $292.50, so $292.50. That's the average you're earning per night, even the nights that went unbooked. So why does this matter? Because you could have a high nightly rate, but low bookings, or vice versa. RevPAR shows you the true earning power of your rental, and it helps you compare performance across properties if you have multiple properties. As long as you're comparing apples to apples, like similar sizes, areas, and time frames, it's a really great metric to track. So track RevPAR alongside ADR and occupancy, and you will have a full picture of how your rental is doing.